Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you are new, then hi, I'm Zina, and if you're not for the first time here, then we'll have today a very different video because I'll show you how to recreate this makeup right here in a professional makeup looks. This is called like a day makeup, but actually for a daily makeup I need only foundation, brows and a little bit of mascara, and I'm ready to go. I don't know how about you, but for me this is an amazing makeup that you can wear for wedding, prom, any other special occasions when you want to accentuate your eyes, but in a minimalist manner, if you know what I mean. And actually you can wear with it a bright lipstick. So if you don't know how to recreate this beauty right here, please keep on watching.
We'll begin by cleaning our face. Actually, you may know that all these products I bought with my own money, and this video is not sponsored. So first I'll use a balm for my lips to hydrate them, and now I'll use my foundation as an eyeshadow base, and actually around my brows as well. And I'll tap it into my eyelid with my fingers. Then I'll grab my makeup atelier palette and I'll use this dark brown color to fill in my brows. First we'll draw the shape and then we'll fill in with the same color. When we are happy with our brow shape, we want to take a brush that looks like brush from mascara. I don't know how it's called, but I'm sure you know what I mean. And I'll smooth out the beginning of the brow so nobody will see where our brow begins clearly. I hope that this makes sense. And then I'll use a little bit of foundation to shape the brow. Then I'll use my eyebrow gel to give more dimension to our brows. And now we want to repeat this brow on the other side, of course. Now I'll grab my Makeup Atelier TO1S palette and use this shimmering color to accentuate a bone underneath our brows like I'm showing. And now I'll grab again my T22 and use this yellowish color. Guys, please use what you have at home. You're not supposed to buy everything I'm showing here. I'm just showing the colors that I have in my professional makeup bag, okay? So now we will tap this yellowish color into beginning of our eyes. So you tap the color, you don't smudge it, and you tap it horizontally like I'm showing. So you grab more color and you tap onto your eyelid. Now I'm grabbing your brush. When it is less product, you want to blend it into another color. And now we'll use our first brown color and again tap it. First tap it over your eyelid, and then with cleaner brush you want to blend it into our yellowish color like I'm showing, and also into our darker brown color that will next. we'll tap into the corner of our eyelid. You have to pay attention to what I'm doing. Now grabbing another brush, you want to blend all these colors using this light brown color like I'm showing over your eyelid. Then you want to grab your brown darker color and tap it into the corner of the eye like I'm showing, and make sure to bring it a little higher with cleaner brush again and blend it into darker brown like I'm showing, and to our upper corner and to opposite side like I'm showing, and then grabbing our less and our brownish color. You want to create an ombre effect like I'm showing here, and then again and then grabbing this dark color, we want to draw underneath the line of the eye like I'm showing here. This is a third part of our underneath line. Now grabbing your brownish color that is lighter, you want to draw underneath the line you did already and bring it to the corner, to opposite corner of your eye. Then you want to grab again your yellowish color and draw it at the beginning of the eye. For liner, I'll use a smaller brush. I'll dump it, and then using a darker brownish or maybe even a black color, making a thin line. You want to darken outer V of your eye if you want. Then you want to use some mascara, and I'll apply some eyelashes, but I'll cut it into two and I'll use only one. And actually I like to glue it underneath my natural eyelashes because it looks more natural. Then I'll use some strobe cream from MAC as a base, but you can use any base that you like. I'm using my favorite foundation that I actually use on everyday basis. I like actually to use with it some liquid illuminator into my foundation, and then I like to mix all together and apply onto my face. First I like to apply it with my hands. Because my hands and my fingertips are warm, it helps to blend this foundation onto our face. Over it I like to use my brushes to blend everything. Now I'll use my contour palette to contour my face. Then I'll use my MAC illuminator to accentuate my cheekbones. I like to use it over my lips to make my upper lip a little bigger. Also, I like to use a blush as well with it. because it makes natural looking. Now I'll use a pencil to draw my lips, but I'll always choose the pencil that is similar to the lipstick that I'm using. Then I want to fill in my lips with the color, and I'm basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this makeup look, guys. And if you'd like me to support and you want to see more makeup videos, please let me know in comments down below. Thank you for watching. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Mwah. Bye.